Okay, so we're back under the car and we're getting ready to move forward with Subaru Swap. I have a lot to say about that, but this video is going to be quick and it's going to be short. What we're doing here is I'm getting ready to remove the steering rack, and the timing is perfect because we just got a comment, and we got a comment on the steering rack. A guy says how it's ludicrous, the company should be sued, calls me a genius, goes on about how it's the worst thing in the world. I'm baffled. We're gonna show you a quick video here of what he's talking about. So anyhow, what's going on is he's saying the brake pedal will hit the kit. How could this ever be made? How could it ever be sold? How could you ever possibly drive your car with this installed? We drove around with this rack on for about 2 years, no issues whatsoever. And we zip tied a light up here just to give a demonstration of the pedal movement. But if Sean comes around, here's our master cylinder, right? Here's our plunger. Here is the steering rack. So you can see the steering rack has been cut out in gold with clearance for it. And if I sneak on this side, sneak my hand up, I'm not obviously gonna get full pedal play here, but I'm gonna pull it down with my hand and you can see that's pretty hard. That's stopping. And if Sean, maybe even take the other angle from straight up, showing like we are nowhere near the rack. I have no idea if the gentleman making the comment has this rack, if it's installed, what his brake setup is. But in our case, 64 Volkswagen bus, creative engineering steering rack. We have the adapter plate to put the new master cylinder with obviously front and rear cylinder circuits. So the dual circuit master cylinder, it works, no problem. Let's not spread rumors on the internet. Let's just spread some knowledge. So from Garage Time, letting you know, kit's installed, kit works, not a problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And hey, let's share some knowledge.